Are you tired of the same old grind? Sick of living paycheck to paycheck while others seem to effortlessly soar to success? Say goodbye to traditional norms and hello to the digital revolution. It's time to make money online like never before. Get ready to ignite your potential and seize the opportunities of the digital age. Let's dive in. The evolution of wealth creation. In the past, the path to wealth was often seen as climbing the corporate ladder or investing in traditional markets. But times have changed. With the rise of the internet, the opportunities to generate wealth have expanded exponentially. We're living in an era where anyone with a laptop and an internet connection can carve out their own path to riches. The game has shifted, and those who embrace the digital landscape are the ones who will thrive. The foundation of online success. So, what's the secret sauce to making money online? It all starts with building a strong foundation. Think of it like constructing a skyscraper. You need a solid base to support the towering structure above. In the online world, this foundation consists of three key elements: skills, audience, and value. M1. Skills. First up, let's talk about skills. In the digital economy, your skills are your most valuable asset. Whether it's coding, graphic design, copywriting, or digital marketing, honing your craft is essential. Invest in yourself. Take courses, attend workshops, and never stop learning. The more skilled you become, the more opportunities will open up for you. What 2? Audience. Next, let's address the audience. In the online world, attention is currency. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, or entrepreneur, building an engaged audience is crucial. Identify your target market, create valuable content, and foster genuine connections. Remember, it's not about the size of your audience, but the quality of engagement. 3. Value. Last but not least, let's talk about value. In a crowded digital marketplace, you need to stand out by providing immense value. Solve a problem, fulfill a need, or entertain your audience, whatever it takes to make their lives better. Focus on building trust and delivering results. When you consistently over-deliver value, success will follow. Strategies for online success. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's dive into some actionable strategies for online success. These are the tried and tested methods that have propelled countless individuals to financial freedom in 2024. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a fantastic way to monetize your skills and expertise. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or consultant, there's a demand for your services. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients from around the world. Start by building your profile, showcasing your portfolio, and delivering exceptional work. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. And 2. E-commerce. E-commerce continues to boom in 2024, offering endless opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. Whether you're drop shipping, selling digital products, or launching your own brand, the world is your marketplace. Platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy make it easy to set up an online store and start selling. Focus on finding a niche, sourcing high-quality products, and delivering an exceptional customer experience. With the right strategy and execution, e-commerce can be a lucrative venture. 3. Content creation. Content creation has emerged as a powerhouse in the online world, with platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok driving massive audiences. Whether you're a vlogger, influencer, or educator, creating compelling content can lead to significant monetization opportunities. Focus on providing value, building a loyal following, and diversifying your revenue streams through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Consistency and authenticity are key to success in the competitive world of content creation. 4. Online courses. With the rise of online education, creating and selling online courses has become a lucrative business model. If you have expertise in a particular subject, whether it's fitness, photography, or finance, you can package your knowledge into a comprehensive course and sell it to eager learners. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera provide the infrastructure to host and sell your courses. Focus on delivering high-quality content, engaging your students, and providing ongoing support. The demand for online learning is only going to continue growing in 2024 and beyond. The mindset of a digital entrepreneur. As we wrap up, let's talk about the mindset of a digital entrepreneur. Building wealth online requires resilience, determination, and a willingness to embrace failure. It's not always smooth sailing, but those who persevere and adapt are the ones who ultimately succeed. Stay hungry, stay humble, and never stop learning. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and the opportunities are endless for those who are willing to seize them. So there you have it. The real way to get rich in 2024, make money online. By building a strong foundation, implementing actionable strategies, and cultivating the mindset of a digital entrepreneur, you can carve out your own path to financial freedom. It won't happen overnight, but with dedication and perseverance, you can turn your online dreams into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep hustling and chasing your dreams.